Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a iPhone X or iPhone 10 here and you want to know how to shut it off or power down. First thing I want to mention is you don't simply just press and hold the power button like you do with the older models. Okay, so I'm going to show you 3 ways how to shut this down. Okay, so the first way is this. It's the volume. You have to hold 2 buttons simultaneously. Okay, it's going to be the volume up button and the power button. Hold both of these buttons until you see the power off slider. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Just press and hold, wait. Okay, there you go, and now you can go ahead and slide it off. The second way to do it is, instead of holding the up rocker, the volume up rocker, you can also do it with the volume down rocker as well. So power button and volume down as well. 1, 2, 3. You got to press and hold, and you got to wait till you see this, okay? And there you go. Now the thing is, if you go ahead and press and hold the volume up and the power button, hold on 1 second, let me log into my phone. Let's say that you're logged into your phone right now, and now you want to power off. If you just press the volume up and the power just really quickly, it's going to take a snapshot. Okay, so if you're in your phone, you're going to use the volume up rocker and the power button. You have to remember, press both buttons simultaneously and hold until you see this slider, and then you can go and slide it right off. Now, the third way to do it is you can go into your settings here. So simply go into your settings, and then you want to go into General. And then from here, you want to go all the way down to the very, very bottom, and it says shut down here. Simply tap on that, and there you go. You get that power slide to power off again. And just go ahead and slide that over, and your phone is off. Hope that helped you guys out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.